Hi everyone, welcome to Maria's Tasty Tales. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious keema with East Indian bottle masala. It is packed with lots of flavors and is finished off with crispy curry leaves. So let's get started. Let's start with marinating the keema. I have taken 500 grams of chicken keema. You can take keema of your preference. To this, we will add 100 grams of curd, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, chopped ginger garlic. Here I have taken 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and 2 inch of ginger, some chopped fresh coriander and mint. Mix it really well and set it aside for 2 hours. Let's prepare some green masala paste with some ginger, garlic, green chilies, coriander and mint. To a hot pan of oil, we will add some whole garam masala, 4 to 5 cloves, a few green cardamoms, some black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves and a small cinnamon stick. Once the flavors are released, we will add 2 large red onions, finely chopped. Cook till onions are browned. Now add 3 finely chopped fresh tomatoes. Now add the green masala paste, mix well and let it cook for a minute. Next, add the marinated keema. Mix it well. Add some powdered spices, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin. Now the star of the show, East Indian bottle masala. The aroma of the masala is truly gorgeous. Mix it well. Make sure the keema is well incorporated with the masala. Salt to taste. Now add a cup of water and let it cook for another 10 minutes. You will see that the oil and the red color from the masala floats on the top, and then you will know it is done. Fry a handful of curry leaves till nice and crispy. Apply gentle pressure to crush these curry leaves. It helps to release their flavor. Garnish it with the crushed curry leaves. Now the keema is ready. We are going to toast some masala pav. Melt some butter in the pan. Add some chili powder and chopped coriander. Coat the pav with the chili butter very well. Now it's time to plate the keema. Garnish it with some extra crispy curry leaves and serve it hot.